I am walking on the beach. I am walking on the beach. I am looking at the waves. I am looking at the waves. The waves are crashing against the shore. The waves are crashing against the shore. The wind is blowing gently. The wind is blowing gently. The seagulls are flying in the sky. The seagulls are flying in the sky. The children are building a sandcastle. The children are building a sandcastle. The sun is shining brightly. The sun is shining brightly. The water is sparkling in the sunlight. The water is sparkling in the sunlight. A woman is collecting shells. A woman is collecting shells. The dogs are running across the sand. The dogs are running across the sand. A boy is flying a kite. A boy is flying a kite. The people are swimming in the sea. The people are swimming in the sea. A girl is taking photos of the sunset. A girl is taking photos of the sunset. The clouds are moving slowly. The clouds are moving slowly. The boat is sailing far away. The boat is sailing far away. The couple is walking along the shore. The couple is walking along the shore. The fish are jumping in the water. The fish are jumping in the water. The birds are singing in the trees. The birds are singing in the trees. A dog is chasing a ball near the water. A dog is chasing a ball near the water. A woman is walking with her dog at a beach. A woman is walking with her dog at a beach. A child is drawing a picture in the sand. A child is drawing a picture in the sand. A man is surfing in the ocean. A man is surfing in the ocean.
The man is fishing by the river. The man is fishing by the river.
Hi friends, help me subscribe to my channel. Just click the red button right here. Great, now we're subscribed. Thanks for helping. Let's learn English together and have fun.